Alpha Capital just wired me $1,600 profit split, and that happened about 2 weeks ago. And here's the proof. So this is my TransferWise account. You can see $1,607, which was received on, let me see, 27th of October. So yeah, it was last week actually. And also, I'm gonna show you, so I'm not lying to you. This is my Alpha Capital payouts and achievements. You can see I'm gonna refresh this and 1607. And I know what you're thinking now. Look, bro, this is not $1,600. It's not a big payout. Like, look, you know, I see people making 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 K payouts. Now, to that, I would say those people obviously have a more experience than me and have been trading much more longer than me. And also, do they really show you how many accounts they blow out? Do they really show you how many losses they have? Do they really show you those things? I don't think they do. And you don't know how many funded accounts they blow, you know? So I rather make consistent smaller profits over a long period of time, and my chances of blowing out the account is much more lower than just trying to make big account like big profit, like 20%, 30% on 100K. And my chances of blowing that account is much more higher than just making small profits. Like I've been making profits for the past 2 or 3 months, I believe. You can see $1,600 here. Then before the withdrawal, $257. This was my fourth withdrawal, so that was plus $250 on as a performance bonus. There was $964. Then it was $400 per hour. There was another $400. So you can see I'm consistent instead of just making one big profit. And I'm gonna show you what trade actually that happened with. This is the AUDCHF, which I was trading that, and that's what gave me the profit. So I'm gonna show you actually here, because I think that's the best one. This is my what do you call it? This is where I track all my trades, and you can see this is the trades. Hold on, where is it? This is the trades. So AUDCHF, I made 1.225%. Then I made Germany 30, it was only 0.7%, and I should hold it longer, but I didn't. And then there was a Euro GPP, which I closed pretty much break even, and then AUD CAD, which I closed break even as well. And that was the first week, and then the following week was the withdrawal date, and I had a loss 0.5%, and I basically made it the 0.5% back. So I ended up basically again on the same amount as I started. Now this is going on for these weeks. Now AUDCHF, what happened here? Very, very simple. I'm going to show you how. This is probably the simplest trading strategy you can ever do. Stop worrying about fucking Fibonacci and, you know, ICT, all this stuff. If you've been following this channel for some time, you know that I'm bashing down ICT traders, and there is a reason for it, because it sucks. You know, trading is already difficult, so why would you make it more difficult than it is? Why would you want to add more words to your vocabulary just to sound fancy? Trading should be simple. Did you know humans not supposed to be actually trading? I didn't know that. If you actually do some research, we are not meant to trade. Why? Because it's like you losing or winning money. It's like gambling. It's the same thing. So trading is gambling, but with controlled risk and management. That's all it is. So why would you make it more complicated? I'm gonna show you here that trade. Where are we? AUDCHF. So you can see this is a strong resistance. If I go on a line chart, you can see it better. I guess I can do it something like this, so you can see it better. So we had a touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. So we had a multiple tries to break above, then we broke above, then we slashed through, We broke above, slashed through, then we bounce from here, and then we bounce from here to go long. But you can see what happened here. This is a daily chart, by the way. This is a strong engulfing candlestick on a daily. This is like exemplary trade. And we came back to the resistance. And then if I go on a 4 hour, you can see it better what happened. You can see it came back all the way to resistance. It hovered around for some time. And if I go on a 1 hour, I'm gonna reveal my strategy here, bro. Like, it's so simple, fucking hell. And then it came back, you can see what it does, right? Now, I could be already entering the trade here, but I decided I wanna have some security. And then look what happened. We had a one engulfing candlestick, and I believe on the 30 minutes, you can see it even better. What actually happened? No, not really. It's really this one, is it is. But, where it is. I saw the momentum, and it's already closing the engulfing candlestick, and I entered the trade. Had a 1 to 2.5 exemplary trade. Now, why I exit the trade here, only 1 to 2.5, why I didn't hold it longer, bro? You can see it went all the way down here, because look, it bounced from here before, it bounced from here before, it bounced from here before. If I go on a 4 hour. So when the trade approached to this area, look what it did. It bounced and then continue. But I was like, you know what? I'm 1 to 2.5. I don't know what's going to happen. Anything can happen in trading, as you know. It's unpredictable markets. And then look what it did. Even 10 bullish on a 1 hour. You know, just continue up. So I decided to close it. Simple as that. And yeah, made like $1,600 plus. I was on Germany 30, which was this trade. And I was supposed to hold this longer, but you know, obviously I was in good profits and I'm still human. And I decided to close it just to keep my profits. It's okay to close your trades if you're in profit and you know you have a withdrawal date. You just want to close it and take some profits. Why not? You know, I'm currently, for example, in this trade. By the way, I had a losing streak a little bit this week. Actually, last week. You can see after the withdrawal, after I made it. After I made it, I can see it was 1 loss, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I made a little bit of profit on Friday, which, by the way, NZD/USD, if I hold it, which I wanted to, but Alpha Capital doesn't allow you to hold trades over the weekend unless you have a swing account. So look what happened, right? So this is the trade. This is the trade. This is the trade, right? And I had to close it. And look what it did, NZD/USD. I wanted to hold it longer because I saw this massive, like look at it, there's nothing between. So I saw this, I wanted to hold it, but I couldn't. If I hold it, which I would definitely, look, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, but anyway, could I didn't. So that didn't happen. And yeah, then I had all these losses. Then I had another loss this at the beginning of the week with gold. Then I made the profit back, bring back the 1% which I lost with gold. And NZD CAD, this is, so I'm still in this trade, so I already made 3%, so we'll see. I'm gonna show you, I'm in this trade since, was it Monday or Tuesday, right? So NZD CAD, and it was already on 100k. It was already on 100,200, so I could already recover the account because I was minus 4%. So I could already recover the account back to the 100, but I decided not to because I see on this trade NZD CAD, similar to NZD USD, you can still, I'm still holding it. I was already down here. It was 1, 2, 3 almost. Right, so you were already close, right? It's already engulfing on a 4 hour, this and this. But if you look at the daily, you see what I'm seeing. Look at the potential of the trade. All the way down here, 1 to 5. Is this gonna happen today? I don't know, I'm not sure, but we'll see. It will be good if it's today because my withdrawal date is today, I believe. 6th of November. Yeah, my withdrawal date is today. So we'll see how that goes, if it's gonna melt or not. But I will keep holding. I still believe this trade's gonna go, yeah, much more lower, the 1 to 5 or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. And if you have any questions you like to ask about trading, or if you like to learn from observing what I'm trading and what's my thoughts and etc., you can do so by clicking the link below this video. It will get you to the Telegram group channel. It's absolutely for free. I don't charge people anything for now, and I think for some time as well. So it's free. Why would you not even join? Anyway, I'm just talking around. I'll see you there, guys. Have a good day.